Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2025 speaking topics. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person who contributes to the society. You should say, who is this person? How you knew him or her? What type of work he or she does? And explain why you think he or she contributes to the society. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Helping and caring for the society through active participation and contribution impacts the community positively, making everyone happier, healthier, as well as leading to purposeful lives. And today, I would like to speak about my neighbor, Mr. Mehta, who is a retired army officer and dedicates his majority of time for the well being as well as the betterment of society. Purposeful means meaningful, dedicate means to devote. So, I just wanted to introduce you all to our brand Empress Farms, which we have recently launched. We are currently providing the finest quality of spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and red chili powder. Also, we are having two varieties of coffee, Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee. Also, if you are a gym goer or if you are into workout, I would also suggest to try it as your pre-workout drink. So you could check out all our products on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below, or you could directly order on WhatsApp with us. Alright, so now let's move on to the cue card. Moreover, I know him since my birth, as his family is amongst one of the oldest families to inhabit our colony, and our houses also share a common wall. So, inhabit means to live or reside. Furthermore, he is a gem of a person and an active member of the local community center, which supports impoverished women and children by addressing their basic needs like food, shelter, and clothing, and acts as a source of inspiration for all. So we have used an idiom here which is gem of a person, which means someone who is exceptional. Impoverished means poor, addressing means to take care of. Additionally, he organizes weekly food donation campaigns to collect unopened or unused food items from local residents of the neighborhood for the welfare of socially disadvantaged people. So, again, socially disadvantaged means poor people or impoverished people. Moving further, he is benevolent and affectionate by nature and puts others' needs ahead of everything else. So, benevolent means kind and affectionate means loving. Finally, I feel on cloud nine knowing him as he believes in the upliftment of society by targeting major issues of hunger and starvation and works on the principle that if we start by saving even one child, then it will lead to a bright future. So we have again used an idiom here which is feel on cloud nine, which means to be very happy or joyous. Upliftment again means betterment. Principle means objective or aim.